Bad knock sensor or bad spark plugs. How to tell the difference? Is your engine running rough? Is your check engine light on? Or are you losing power? Or you are burning more fuel? Or you are hearing strange noise from your engine? But here is the problem. Is it a bad knock sensor or your spark plug is simply worn out? Many people has replaced the wrong part, and because of that they have wasted their money, because both problem can cause similar symptoms. In this video I'm going to help you how you can differentiate it. Is it caused by one bad spark plugs or a one or bad knock sensor? Now let's go into it. You need to know what is the function of the two. A spark plug creates the spark that ignites the air fuel mixture inside the cylinder. That is what it does. It creates the spark that causes explosion or that ignites the compressed air and fuel mixture inside the cylinder. So without a strong spark, the engine will not run properly. What about the knocking sensor? The knocking sensor, it listens. Get the point? Listening for abnormal combustion, also known as engine knock. That is the word. It listens to abnormal combustion or engine knock or pinging. And when it detects any, if it detects engine is knocking, it's going to tell the ECU to adjust injection timing and protect the engine. That is what it does. It listens, and if you notice any abnormal engine knock, it's going to report to your ECU, so that your ECU is going to adjust the injection timing in order to protect the engine. Now you have known the function of these two. Now let's go after the sign one after the other. Misfiring. If your engine is misfiring, the first thing you need to check is you need to check your spark plug. If you are having rough idle, engine is shaking, hesitation during acceleration, misfiring problem or code, that you need to check your spark plug first. However, a bad knock sensor can also be the cause, but on rare cases. So if you feel that one of your cylinder is not working very well, you need to check your spark plug first. How can you do this? You need to remove the spark plug and check the spark plug. Is there carbon deposit on it? Oil fouling on it? Is it burned the electrode? Is it excessively wear? So if you are having misfiring, pay attention to your spark plug. But if you are having engine knocking noise, this is where the knock sensor comes to important. If you are hearing pinging noise, rattling, metallic knocking under load, the knock sensor may not be working. If you are hearing this noise, it means that the knock sensor is not working, because if your knock sensor is working, it's going to detect the noise and report the issue to your ECU, and as a result of that, your ECU is going to correct the situation. But if your knock sensor is not working, it's not going to report anything to your ECU, and you are going to keep hearing this noise. Although spark plug can contribute to knocking if you use wrong heat range, but knock sensor is specifically designed to monitor and control this situation. So what is number 3 signs? If you have poor fuel economy, the both can cause this, however in a different way. For example, if you have a once plug, it's going to create weak combustion, and when you have weak combustion, your engine will not burn fuel very well, and that is going to increase your fuel consumption. Bad knock sensor too can also cause this. If your bad knock sensor reports that there is a knocking sound from your engine, it's going to inform the ECU, and because of that, your ECU is going to retard ignition timing, and if that is done excessively as a safety measure, then this is going to reduce the engine efficiency and power, and that is going to increase fuel consumption. So if your fuel consumption is bad, then you need to check for misfiring and you suspect your spark plug first. Now let's talk about loss of power. A knock sensor usually causes loss of power. Why? Because when your knock sensor reports a knock or a knocking sound to your ECU want to protect your engine, and as a result of that, it may sometimes put your engine in a protective mode, and ignition timing will now become more conservative, and acceleration feels sluggish, and the vehicle may even struggle to climb hills or carry heavy load. However, your bar spark plug can also cause power loss, but if this bad spark plug is going to accompany by rough running and misfiring. Let's talk about number 5. You have check engine light. This is the easiest one. If you have check engine light, the best thing you can do is to use a scan tools and look for code, trouble code. If it is knock sensor, you are going to have code like this. DC P0325, P0326, P0327, P0328. But if it is misfiring, you are going to have common code like this: P0300, P031, P0302, P0303, or P0304. So if you have this code, you should know that, okay, this one belongs to engine knock and knock sensor, and this one belongs to misfiring code. So you should know which one to tackle. So in a nutshell, if it's a bad spark plug, you are going to have rough idle, engine misfiring, hard starting, poor acceleration, increased fuel consumption, and misfire codes. But if it is bad knock sensor, you are going to have engine knocking and pinging, loss of power, poor fuel economy, check engine light, knock sensor code, and engine may also feel sluggish. So if you have any of this problem, you have to diagnose the engine and know which one is at fault. So to know this, if you have a bad knock sensor for a very prolonged time and you are hearing that noise, it's going to damage the engine. It could cause damage to your piston, to your broken rings, land, and also to your cylinder. So when you hear knock sound from your engine, you need to go and check. You need to go and check your knock sensor so that to prevent your engine from further damage. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me for more simple engine tips. Follow me for more.